What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a 2-month update on my hair. Yep, I've been locked for 2 months and I absolutely love my hair. Like, this has been the best decision that I've made with my hair in a very long time, and I'm actually surprised that I have not started locking my hair sooner. So yeah, I'm just so excited. Let's go ahead and get into this video. If you see me looking down, it's because I have my notes here and I want to just make sure that I hit all of the points that I want to hit, okay? All right, so number one, I know a lot of you guys are wondering what are some changes that I've seen in my hair since last month. And honestly, I have seen quite a bit of changes. The first change I've noticed is in the texture of my hair. My hair is actually still really soft. As I run my fingers through my hair, I'm noticing that my hair is still very nice and soft. As you guys can see though, my ends are becoming a lot more curly. And I think that is due to the fact that I trimmed my ends last time in my last video, and I'm going to put a link up here or up here in the information bar. If you would like to check out that video to see how I trimmed my micro locks, then go ahead and check that out. But yeah, so since I've trimmed my ends, my hair has definitely started to curl up on the ends much more. And that's exactly what I was looking for, because I don't know if you, like in my last video, I share how the ends toward the middle to the top of my head, my hair just was not curling up like the bottom of my hair was. And I was just wanting my hair to kind of lock up consistently. And I know with locking your hair, you want things to happen organically, but as a hairstylist, I kind of just like to play around with the style and see how I can manipulate it my own way. So all I did was just trim my ends very lightly. Like, I only trimmed off maybe like 1/4 of an inch on the strands that needed it. So like, say for instance, the hair at the bottom did not need to be trimmed because the hairs were already like curly like they are now. So I didn't really trim much of the hair on the bottom, but I did do a little bit of trimming on the top. And as you can see now, the hair is nice and curly all over my head. Okay, so that's one of the changes. The second change is that my hair is starting to just get a little thicker. The locks themselves are starting to just thicken up a little bit. So that's another change. I noticed that my hair is starting to thicken up a little bit. Another change is last month I colored my hair. If you guys can see, it is brown. I love the color of my hair now. Like, I only colored from here all the way down, and it's this nice brown color. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the products that I'm using right now. So I'm using this Pure Zero Biotin Strengthening Shampoo. And I got this shampoo from Whole Foods. I got it mainly because it has biotin in it, and I know that with me not using deep conditioners and treatments and all those heavy conditioners, I really need to make sure that my hair is continuing to be nice and strong and healthy. So whenever I do wash my hair, I wash it with this Pure Zero Natural Hair Care. So this is what I'm using for my shampoo. When it's time to seal my hair after I've sprayed it down with my essential oils and water, I seal my hair with this Kiss Colors and Care Argan and Macadamia Hair Oil for dry and damaged natural hair. And if you can see, it's about this empty, and I've been using this ever since I was locked. And I love the fact that this does not weigh my hair down, even though it's a pretty thick, I'll show you. Yeah, even though it's a pretty thick consistency, it doesn't weigh my hair down. So I love that about this product. And then the last thing that I use is literally just a mixture of water and 3 essential oils. I use rosemary, eucalyptus, tea tree, and jasmine. And I just spray this, I like shake it up, and then I just spray it all over my head. And I make sure to get the roots and everything like that. And yeah, that's all I do with my hair. These are literally the only 3 products that I'm using on my hair right now. And I actually love that. I love the simplicity of having locks because you really don't need to use like tons of products. I have a hair jewelry update. This is the piece of jewelry that I've had on my hair since day one. But since I've started locking, my husband has decided to get me this piece of lock jewelry. It is so cute. It's my favorite color, and it just gives my locks some character. That's my hair jewelry update. So I interlocked my hair a couple weeks ago, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like now. Okay, so that's what my roots look like. And let's just do a close-up of what my hair looks like.
I wonder what you have to offer. I loved you cause you came at me proper. Told all them other niggas get out the way. You said you wanna keep things tight. Now you got me, but now we gotta do things right. Oh, you haunt me. Oh, take a little bit of you, a little bit more. Now you're empty.
I also want to give you guys an update on my alopecia. This area right here, I'm kind of having a flare up right here. I don't know if you can see that, but in last month's update, this area was starting to fill in, and it's just, the hair is just not recovering like I thought it was. So that's an area of concern. But yeah, other than that, my alopecia is doing okay. I just have that one spot that I'm a little concerned about, and I've just been watching. So yeah, I'm going to be doctoring that up, and I will talk to you guys in another video about some of the things that I'm going to be doing to doctor up that area. So that's all I have for now for my 2-month update. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet and you're enjoying the content and my channel is helping you with your lock journey, or if it's helping you decide whether you want to get locks, please don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm thankful, so thankful for all of my new subscribers, and I'm just thankful for the community that we are building and all of the wonderful conversations that we're having in the comment section. And I just want to keep this conversation going, and I want to just continue to build a community of people who have the same interest and who just have the same love and passion for hair. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.